I bought this MacBook from one of my customers. I only bought it for $100. It's in perfect shape, but it shows no signs of life. Let's see if we can fix this one. Should just be able to wiggle this entire motherboard out. Did a little bit of diagnostics. All of my tests pointed over to this chip on the motherboard. We can go through a quick process of just removing, cleaning, and soldering on the new chip. It looks like a long process, but everything was done in a little over 15 minutes. The final little wiggle tells me that this chip is secured properly. So I was able to get that all put back together and the MacBook is working perfectly now. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up for sale and see how much money I can make on it.